Salesgenie subscribers have access to export records from the platform. Using tags and lead status features will help to determine which records to export. This keeps your CRM lean and focused on leads that are ready for deeper follow-up. Here's how to export your list. Click on Saved Lists. Then open the list you have been working. Next, you can export your entire list, or you can narrow down the leads that you have qualified by clicking Filters. Click on the activity arrow to select the leads you have worked. You can choose from any of the prospecting activities you have conducted. For this example, we will narrow the list down by lead status and select Hot Leads. Click Apply Filters, then Close to view your results. Now click Export. Choose your preferred format like CSV or Excel. Select your preferred layout. Summary provides the most requested fields. Want emails included? Select Summary, emails where available. Detailed will give you all fields. Salesgenie has to offer minus email. Need something somewhere in the middle? Select Custom to handpick the fields you'd like to export. Custom templates can be saved as well and used for future exports. Once you've picked your layout, click Next, then click Export. Salesgenie will use credits from your account to pull the list and will allow you to purchase more credits if needed. Clicking Confirm will download the preferred file format to your web browser. Simply click on the file name to open it. Salesgenie helps you prospect smarter. Export strategically to keep your CRM clean and your sales process sharp.